The video on numericals on artificial neural network and fuzzy logic. So the next numerical is two fuzzy relations are given to you, that is R giving you relation between x1 and y1, x2 and y2, S giving relation between y and z. You have to obtain a fuzzy relation T as a composition between the two fuzzy relations. So the composition between the two fuzzy relations is performed in two different ways. The first is called the max min composition and the second one is called the max product composition. So max min and max product composition. So let us see how to find that. Max min composition is given by T is equal to R circle of S. This is how you mathematically represent the composition. What is the formula to find this max min composition? Since it is max min, you have both the operators working on this. So you have maximum of, we are first finding the relation between x1 and z1. So if you just look at the numerical, you have relation between x, and relation between y. This y then has a relation between z. So what you have to do is you have to find the relation between this x and between this z using this y. So how do you do that? Relation between x1 and z1 is given as minimum of x1 y1, y1 z1 and minimum of x1 y2 and y2 z1. So if you see between y1 and z1, we have both the operators working. So x1 y1 this and y1 z1. Then you have x1 y2 and this y2 is having relation with z1. So this is how you find the relation. I'll put all those values x1 y1, y1 z1, y1 x1 y2 and y2 z1. Find the minimum between these, and whatever is the value, you find the maximum of that two values, which is 0.6. So this is how we find the relation between x1 and z1. Similarly, you have to find for all the other combinations, which is x1 and z2, x1 and z3, x2 z1, x2 z2 and x2 z3. So T will be given by this matrix, which is called as a max min composition. The second part is the max product composition. How do you solve that? As we know, T is given by R circle of S, but here the circle is a filled circle. It is a filled circle. The initial circle was R circle S. This is max min composition. This is max product composition. That is the basic difference. So mu T of x1 z1 is given by maximum of the product between these two. So x1 y1 y1 z1 and x1 y2 y2 z1. So you substitute the values, multiply them. So 0.6 into 1 is 0.6, 0.3 into 0.8 is 0.24 and find the maximum between these two values, which is 0.6. Similarly, you will solve for all the other combinations x1 z2, x1 z3, x2 z1, x2 z2 and x2 z3. So this is how we find the max product composition. So this is how we solve the numerical. Thank you for watching the video.